family, how are you doing? Karibu sana to my channel. My name is Faith and here is Cookie's Kitchen, a channel where we make various African delicacies on a budget-friendly account. In case you're stopping by for the first time, you're so much welcome, and believe me, this is a channel that will make you a better cook at the comfort of your home. And on our today's recipe, guys, we are making, guess what? You guys have already seen. So guys, we are going to be making pumpkin chapatis, one of my faves. And let me tell you guys, chapati, you can always add a lot of things to chapati. And this is just the first one that I'm gonna share with you. So guys, let's make pumpkin chapatis. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe. It's a way of showing love and supporting my channel. Like and subscribe, comment, and also share my content. So let's do this. And so guys, let me just introduce my ingredients. Here are my pumpkins. I just bought it and boiled it for around 15 minutes. I could not record that part because of time. Then I have sugar, then we have salt, and definitely here is warm water. So right away, let's get started. So the first step, we are going to measure our flour. I'll be using 2 cups. Then we are going to mash our pumpkins. My pumpkins look good. I am just going to add them to my flour. So guys, the next thing, I normally mix my sugar and salt to the water, not directly to the flour. So after that, we are now going to start the kneading process. Guys, my dough is ready, as you can see. It looks nice. So the next thing, we are going to roll out a big chapati over here. So let us make our chapatis. Meanwhile, make sure that your pan is heating up. Tried my best. So when your pan heats up, add in your chapati like so, and wait for it to cook, then flip. For now, nazikausha tu kwanza, okay? So what do you have to say? I know you've loved this recipe. Let me tell you, pumpkin chapatis are really nice. They are sweet. Yani, and when you actually make the soft layered ones, you're going to really enjoy, okay? So thank you so much for your continued support, guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I know I have influenced you to actually go look for a pumpkin and make this recipe, and you're going to enjoy. Your family is really going to love this dish. So till next time, from me to you guys. Ooh, let me enjoy.